I'm going to take this 75 Pontiac out on a public road for the first time. I've had this car for about 5 years. I picked it up from the original owner 5 years ago. Done a bunch of suspension and brake work to it. Nothing mechanical yet. Still got the same wires, plugs, distributor, cap and rotor, all that tune-up stuff as when I bought it. I did put a new alternator on it, and this new water pump on it as well, and some belts and a rat hose, but I want to see how it runs just the way the guy had it first before I start changing anything tune-up wise on it. 75 all original, 455 turbo 400. Interior is really good. I'm a bit nervous. I'm going to take this thing on a public road for the first time. Okay. It's got 13 volts. My alternator and my new alternator is working. It's idling nice. It's got a bit of oil pressure. Had more when it was cold. And I think it has some gas in it. Some old gas. Alright. It's moving in reverse. Oh boy. I don't know why when you don't know a car the first time you take it out, it's always a bit dicey. I do have my roadside assistance card with me, just in case we need to get her towed. But let's not think like that. Let's go. Let's go for a cruise. Oh, she stumbled a bit there. Oh, it's got a new fuel pump in it, so hopefully it's getting gas. Well, so far so good. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to try and drive this car to my house, from the garage to my house. About 10 miles. Wish me luck. Well, it made it home. I've washed it. Doesn't look bad now. It ran pretty good. Really no issues. Misfiring a little bit. But it ran pretty good. Tracked pretty straight down the road. It's a lot cleaner now. Kind of washed around the outside of the motor. I'm a little nervous getting too close to the distributor or the carb. But so far so good. The first trip on a public road. It made it. Stay tuned for more pictures, more videos on this car. Thanks for watching. Well, I'm taking it back to the garage. Just wanted to give you an idea of how it runs. Not too bad. Not too shabby. About 45 miles an hour roughly. Got 13 volts. Some fuel in it. Decent oil pressure. Temperature gauge is probably about 180. It's got a 180 thermostat on it, so maybe that's accurate. 45 miles an hour, about 1500 RPM. And it's well under 2000 at highway speeds. It's got a really tall rear end in it. I think it's a 256 or something, which is perfect for this kind of car. But I'm going to let my hands off the wheel. The track's pretty straight down the road. A little bit of wind today. This car's not been aligned yet. I just measured it with a tape measure and gave it a little bit of toe. So it's pretty good. It's tracking nice and straight. Can't complain. There's a horse. Go down this quiet country road now. Well, so far so good. I'm less nervous driving it now, which probably means it's going to quit. But no, it's fine. I haven't gone more than about a quarter throttle. We'll save that for another day.